Did you or have you deleted the Elementor builder? I mean, Elementor header and footer builder, if any by chance?
I don't believe I have, not that I'm aware of.
Yeah, because as per inspecting the menus from your desktop view or even the mobile view, this menu was originally created under Elementor header and footer builder or plugin. And as per checking here in your your dashboards, I don't see the plugin anymore.
Well, you know what? I created another site where I might have installed that that particular plugin, and this is a new site, and I may not have installed it. I don't know if that answers your question or not, but I may have installed it on my other site that I recently did when I was working with Bluesky.
Okay, I see. Yep. So actually, as per checking in the customizer, we don't have any options to like adjust the spacing in between of your home menu, statement menu, contact menu.
Okay.
Because to be honest with you, in customizer we only have limited options.
Okay.
Not unless you have the Elementor header and footer builder, because we do have the ability to adjust the spacing in between of your menus.
Okay, so let me ask you this. If I were to install the customizer, the Elementor header, what is it called? Header what?
Header and footer builder.
Yeah, so I'd have to recreate the menu in that plugin. Is that right? And then I could make those kinds of adjustments.
You're correct.
Is that right?
You're correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I may do that. So I just, I might get ahead of it and play with it, so that's something I can find in the plugins, right?
Yep.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll do that.
So just type in there Elementor header. Yeah, just type in Elementor header, and then it will come out Elementor header and footer builder.
Now let me ask you this: in the mobile version, it created a hamburger, right? And also on the iPad version, it created a hamburger. If I use the header builder, will it also create a hamburger, or will it try to actually duplicate the same? I could just build that one. I could just make this one invisible on the desktop, and then add the Elementor header footer builder as just part of the desktop. Then I could change those parameters. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Oh.
That I could sort of.
I totally understand what you're telling me, but it's that's not the workaround of Elementor header and footer builder.
Okay.
So if you wanted to like recreate or use the Elementor header and footer and then recreate your menus, we don't have the option or functionality to to not apply the menus to your desktop and tablet. It will automatically change your menus when you created that.
Really?
It will automatically apply to all of your devices.
And what will they look like? What will they look? Will it still look like a hamburger, or will it look like, will it try?
Yes, it would still look like on the hamburger.
Okay.
The reason as to why it will display the hamburger is because of the dimensions of your.
I get it. I get it.
Of the tablet and the.
No, I get that. I get that. So you can't have both the customized version that you can turn on and off in the responsive drop down. You can't have the Elementor header footer version on just one device. It has to appear on all devices, and you can't turn them off.
No. What I mean is that you can still do that, like by hiding through your desktop and your mobile version.
Yes.
Yep.
So
but the one that I've referring to is that when you recreate your header through Elementor header and footer, you don't have the ability to activate the header that you have created from your Elementor header and footer, and then activate the header from your customizer to a specific devices, for example, your mobile or
Okay.
tablet.
Okay.
But in hiding the responsive, or I mean, in hiding the formats from your desktop to the tablet and the phone, that's possible
Okay.
for Elementor header footer.
Okay, so just speaking theoretically about it, I could create
Yeah.
another header for the desktop, and then putting apart the technical discussion about how to fix it, I could create a header for the desktop, and then have the customized header appear on the mobile units.
No, you can do that. You can do. I mean, you cannot apply customizer only for
I see.
mobile or tablet view. Yeah.
It is going to appear.
Once you have created your header through Elementor header and footer,
That's what
you
it
only have
does.
the option to enable it
Okay, I got it.
through to all of your devices. But you
Okay.
can, when customizing, I mean, when you edit the header through Elementor header and footer, you have still the option to like hide it on mobile and tablet.
Okay. Okay. Well, I see what you're saying. Of course, in that case, I wouldn't have any I wouldn't have any menu on the tablet and the mobile. I could, right, because I can't put another kind of menu on the mobile and the tablet, right? I can't add the customized, say, a menu on the mobile and the tablet if I use the Elementor header footer, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. That's not serious. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that right now. I think we've accomplished a lot. So, okay, thank you.
You're very much welcome. It's my pleasure, answering all of your questions and at the same time helping you today.
Sure.
So, yep, if you don't mind, I'll go ahead and save my notes here in your account, and there will be a quick short survey. The 2 questions are the most important ones. And then, yep, don't forget 5 would be the highest.
I got it. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you as well. You have a
Okay.
wonderful day, okay?
Okay.
I'll connect you now.
All right, bye.
Please stay on the line for a brief survey. Please rate your experience by answering 4 short questions. My representative was knowledgeable. Please rate 1 to 5, _5 being the best underscore. My representative was courteous and willing to help. Please rate 1 to 5.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, actually, you can do that. In your left panel, as you can see, there's like a background color.
Now this, see, there's a
In
bad.
your
This
left.
is that. Okay, so what I'd like to do ideally is make all this clear and change all these words to a darker color. That's kind of what I would prefer to do. I don't know if it's possible to do that.
Oh, okay.
Or make.
Actually, we can check on that in the customizer you have because your header was made in your customizer. Yeah, you can go back to your dashboard. I'm gonna show you real quick how to edit it.
Okay.
Click on the X.
Okay.
Okay, and then appearance. Go to appearance.
Mm-hmm.
Then customize.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm on the
Okay,
wrong.
one
Wait.
moment.
I'm on the wrong thing here. Sorry, I am on the wrong thing. I need to go here. And now appearance. Customize. Okay. I was on the wrong website. Okay, we're good now.
Okay. All right. So, as for right now, I need you to change the device version. Change it to mobile version at the bottom left.
Yes.
Okay. And then I need you to click on header builder, please.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. One moment. Primary menu. Design. Okay. So I need you to go to primary menu on the far left hand.
Primary menu. Yes.
Okay, and then go to design.
Primary menu. Oh, design, huh? And and this is the primary menu. Okay, design. Yeah.
Yep. So before we do something else there, can you click on the burger icon for your site menu? Yep. And then hover your mouse to home. There's like a pencil icon there. Yeah, click on that. Blue pencil.
Yeah.
Okay, click on that.
I'm clicking, but it doesn't changing anything.
I think you're already in the right place.
Okay.
Go to general, please. I just want to check something there, just to be sure. All right. Yeah, that's the right hover text. So go to design. Go back to design. All right, and then scroll down. Go to menu color, then background. Okay, we're gonna try to change the background, the first background.
Okay.
Yes, that one.
And I can just do this, right?
Yes. Yep. That's a transparent.
Although it isn't.
You can also use. Yeah, that's for the transparency.
But I could also use this color, right?
Yep. So all you need to do, make it like,
I mean,
use the color code. I'm gonna.
I can look that up real quick.
Inspect what color code. Yeah.
I can look that up real quick.
Let me check the color code real quick. It's gonna be #526.
Oh, you know it. Okay.
Yep. 526 840. B as in Bravo, the capital B as in Bravo, and then capital F as in Foxtrot. Okay, and before you do not publish it yet.
No, it's not right.
Okay. 1 second.
But wait, I mean, I can, let me, okay, let's slow down for just a second, because I think I have, let's try this one. I know you suggested one, but I want to try this one just for fun. Well, that.
All right. You're good with that?
I don't think it's, I don't think it's is it making this transparent? I don't want it to be, it doesn't have to be transparent. It just has to match this color. And these numbers match that color. But
absolutely correct.
But is it still, yeah, I think it is, isn't it? I can't tell. Is it matching this color? I guess it is. All right. I think it is.
You can actually, publish it, and then we'll try to view it through our mobile version if it's the same.
Okay, good.
Okay.
I think it's the same. I thought it may be, okay, I thought, and then we need to change these colors because they're not bold enough. I mean the type here.
Okay. All right, yeah, you can go to your, there's like a font, then menu font. Can you click on that pencil for menu font?
Yeah. Okay.
There's no like color there.
Well, I can do that. That's nice. And maybe I can do a nice italic.
All right, so I have checked your site through my phone, and yeah, actually they're having the same background color.
Okay, so in other words, it is the same as the site color.
Yes.
Right, and there's no way to make it transparent. Apparently, transparency isn't a choice.
Yeah, it's still a choice, even though you make it 0 because you put some codes, or you adjusted the color technically. So yeah.
No, I'm saying I put a color in there, which is okay. And my question is, can it be transparent as a color? Can that be a color choice?
Like make it as transparent?
Yeah, transparent, so that, because look, for one thing, it's coming over the image here. That doesn't look so good. It would be nice if this were transparent. That's all. If it's not, this is a good second best.
We can only adjust that by going to the menu color, the one that you have just did earlier. Click on background color. The first color you have.
Oh yeah, by background color right here. So yeah.
Okay, and then that one, you can only move that by adjusting the second. Yeah, that's for the transparency. You can move the circle if you.
It looks like transparency is
on the far right hand.
Looks like transparency is a choice here. Let's copy this and.
No.
I'm sorry.
As you can see on the on top of hex codes.
Hex.
It's below.
Oh yeah, on
below
top. Right.
Yep. That's for the transparency. As you can see, there's like a circle on the far right hand.
Yes.
Yep. You try to adjust that to the left.
Okay. Well, then
will make it.
It makes it white. Yeah, it doesn't make it transparent. It makes it white.
Yes.
Yeah, it's interesting, huh?
Yeah, for some reason. Can you scroll down a bit, please?
Sure. I think that's all I can do, yeah. Oh, it says clear, look. Doesn't it? It says clear. Should I click on clear?
You can click on clear, but it will remove the background color itself.
Oh my God. So it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it seems like there's no transparent option there.
Okay, so I just want to, I've got to get back to this, which I copied and, okay, so now I'm back to this, and that's fine. If that's the best we can do, it's not bad. These become, as you hover over them, they become sort of, I don't know, what is it, red or orange? Can I change that?
The hover color, can you click on the pencil?
Yeah.
Yep. And then, can you scroll down a bit, please? Border, go to font. Okay, one moment. Menu color, text link.
Oh, here's the one called hover. Look.
Oh, there you go. For hover, click on that.
Okay. So let's go here. Let's give it. Let's give it a nice kind of. I don't want it to be transparent, so let's give it. Now, for some reason, let's close it and open it. It didn't change. Oh, here it does. Yeah.
It changed, but the original home you have there,
Yeah.
it's not changing.
I know. So that. So
Instead of
okay.
green,
So what's this? Let's. So that's active. Is that the active color? You think?
Let's try.
No, that doesn't change it. Oh, it does. It does. It does change it. So let's.
Yeah, you can actually copy or use make it the same with the color for statement contact. Let me check.
I think that's fine. What I've got there, I'm happy with. That is to say.
Oh, you're okay with that?
Yeah. So yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's great.
All right.
Yeah, I don't want it to be too colorful, you know. Okay.
Okay, sure. So let's go and hit and publish. All right. So there we go. So
Okay. Now you may have to run. I just maybe just you can answer yes or no to this. We don't have to do it right now. But these words here, is it possible to compress those words down together? They're a little spread out. You know, there's like more than a space and a half between those words. And that's a menu item.
Actually, that's it's for the spacing. Like when you go to spacing on the far left hand.
Oops! Wait a second. I did something. Clicked on it by mistake. Yikes. Okay, so now I have to edit in Elementor. Sorry. Click on it.
Go to customize.
Okay, so we'll do that. Should I go back to the home to do that?
Click on the burger and then view page.
The burger and where is it? Is view page? Maybe I should exit first. I don't know. I don't see a view page.
Click on view page.
I'm trying to look to where is view page?
It's on top of the exit button.
It's on top of the exit. Oh, I see. I wasn't aware that it was there. Okay. So now customize.
All right, customize.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to header builder.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 moment. It doesn't change. All right, so go to design, please. And then, 1 moment. I'm sorry, can you click on the back arrow? Yep. 1 moment. Header. Sidebar. Header builder, and then nope. Okay, click on the transparent header, and then go to design. Okay, and scroll down. Oh no. Where did I get that? It should be like primary header.
Yeah.
Primary header. No. One moment. Page. Sidebar. Site identity. No. Okay, how about this one? Change the version or the device version to mobile first. Yes. And then I need you to click, hover your mouse to the header of your mobile version. I don't know. The very center part of your screen.
Here, yeah.
Click on that blue pencil on the top left. Yep, click on that.
What's
There you
the
go.
what's the
Then
difference
your
between the left and
panel,
the right one? How's this different from that one?
That's for the entire header section, and
Okay.
then for the second blue pencil, that's refers to your toggle or menu icon there.
Okay, and this is for the entire. So this is a larger part of the section, and this is a subsection. Okay.
You're correct. So as for now, since we're already under the primary header, change your device version or view to desktop.
Okay. Do I need to click on this first? I've already done that. Okay, so we go to desktop.
Okay, and then on the top left, click on design.
Yeah.
All right, and then as for the spacing, one moment. Okay, can you please go back to the mobile view?
Yes.
All right, can you hover your mouse to your menu icon? And then click on that blue pencil instead of the entire section, and then change it to the desktop version, please.
Oops. Okay.
All right, and then move to design. Okay, and then as for the spacing, try to adjust the top or bottom. Click on spacing.
I see. It gives you numbers, but it doesn't. Yeah. Maybe that's yeah.
Try to type in any numbers for top margin, right margin, bottom margin. Let's see if that will
Sure.
work.
Okay.
Seems like it doesn't work.
Nothing happens there.
Yeah, one moment. All right, one moment.
It's a text. It's a text and the menu on the desktop version. That's what it is. That's part of like one
Okay.
one section.
Okay. All right. 1 second. Okay, do not update it yet, okay? Just to make sure, I'm gonna back up all the files and then we're gonna update it after this. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So that no matter what happens, we can still restore the original or the old files you have
Okay.
or the old version.
How are you going to back it up?
Yes, I'll just have to go to Updraft Plus if you're familiar with that.
Yeah, I can do that. You want me to do it? Yeah. Okay, so.
No. I've already, it's now backing up.
All right.
So let's just wait for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna tell you as to when you can update it.
Okay.
All right, so it's back up now. Can you go and click on update?
Gosh, it's so great that they've changed
All right.
that you can actually name these things. That I think just happened today or yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead, click on the desktop version.
Yeah, let's see if there's anything left.
Okay, and then right
good.
now I need you to click on the preview changes, the eye icon at the bottom left. Yes. Okay. Oh, that's for the mobile version.
It looks
click on
so.
the desktop, please.
Oh, yeah.
The bottom left.
Here we go.
Okay, that's good. And just to make sure if the changes has made, successfully, I'm gonna use my phone here. Is your site already live or not yet?
Yeah, it's alive. Yeah, why not?
It's live. Okay. 1 moment. Oh. All right, good. So I have checked your site through my desktop, and the changes. There's no changes made after we updated your mobile version. So let me check my phone here real quick. Chrome. George. Or goldman.com.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at it, and it looks good. That's what we
good.
created. Yeah.
Great job. Okay. All right. So, all right. What do you want to achieve so I can annotate it here for your next call?
Okay, I got a quick question before you go.
Sure.
If we go here and I do the drop down, it gives me this kind of drop down. Is it possible to edit any of this stuff in terms of? Okay, so we're creating a new login. Okay.
Yep. So as for the generated passwords, okay, 1 moment. All right, 1 sec here. It seems like my screen is freezing. All right. So for the password, just type in there WP support, then 3 exclamation points.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then scroll down, change the, very weak. Change it to administrator. Put question mark, please.
question mark, question. Oh, here we go. Okay, also weak. Okay, let's do.
Okay.
Who cares? I mean, I don't care. I mean, let's do.
Just confirm use of weak password.
Let's do a capital here. Oh, it's still weak.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, just confirm. Click on the box for confirm use of weak password.
Okay.
And then add new user.
Okay, wait a second. So we've got 3 exclamation points and this. Okay. I'm going to try to make note of that. Okay.
All right, and then and then just hit on cancel.
That's
for
me.
the
Yeah.
safe login. Yes.
Oh, that's just me. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let me try to log in real quick. All right. I'm in your dashboard right now. So one moment here. So, okay. I'll go to pages and that's your home page, right?
Well, yes. Yes. I don't know what you mean. This is my, this is a subdomain, but
Oh, yeah.
this is my home
Yes,
page.
the one that you have just viewed. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. One moment. Responsive.
Wait, now don't do anything without telling me, because it's pointless to do it and not telling me. You have to tell me what you're doing.
Yes, I'm actually trying to inspect where we can locate the text for paintings through your mobile version.
Sure. Well, we could copy it. Yes. If you can't find it, I guess it's best to find it, right? Rather than have it just sit there somewhere. You're right. It's best to find it. If you can't find it, then we can figure that out.
Yep, for sure.
But I want to know what you're doing, though.
Yeah, you can go back to the tab that we're working on.
Should I take over? I'll take over for a second. Okay, so where should we go? We should go to the to this, yeah?
Responsive and mobile view.
Yeah, we could look in. Yeah, okay, that's what we're doing.
All right, just click on the second section since we didn't see any text for paintings and header. Yes, click on that. Columns. Okay, click on text editor. All right, that's for the painting. Okay. All right, one moment. It seems like we need to adjust or move your painting text. Can you please go to advanced on the far left hand? Yep. And then try to click on the link icon for margin. Yes. And then please adjust the right margin. Yes. Make it negative. Let's try negative. Let's see if it will work. No, it's not working. Let's make it 0 instead. All right. How about left for left margin?
Positive or negative? I don't see anything.
It's not working. Okay, make it 0. All right, unlink the margin, please. Yep. Okay, let's go to position. Change the default to absolute. Okay, and then as you can see, hover your mouse to the center part of your screen. There's a break line here, that one. Can you please drag that to somewhere in that section?
Well, let's see. If I hold it.
Oh, okay.
You
Can
think
you
it?
scroll down, please?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You think it's behind that image or something?
Yes, it's actually available, or it's actually visible. I mean, available to the second section. But we're trying to find out. Maybe it's behind the picture, or
Is it possible to move
on the left
to
side.
move the header below the text? Now, if I move it, would
Yes,
that?
we can do that. Yeah, try to drag and drop that header below the second section. Oh, there you go. There's a painting on top.
Yeah. So there it is.
So what we can do, can you try to scroll up, please?
Scroll
Okay,
up.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's okay. Try to hover your mouse to the first section.
Well, there's this.
As you can see, when you hover your mouse to painting, there's like a cross, or I mean the plus sign on the right side, the blue. Yeah, try to drag that below the picture or below the painting.
Drag what? This.
That painting.
Just
That one.
Okay. Try to drag it here.
Yes. There you go.
Yeah, but it didn't stay. It didn't go there.
You have to drag it below the painting, not outside the section. No.
Okay.
Below the gray background.
Over here? I mean, how far down?
No.
Well, I don't know what to say.
Below the painting, underneath it.
Below that. Okay, so.
No.
Okay.
The first section, can you scroll up? There's like a painting, yes?
Yeah, right
As
here.
you hovered it. Below that, there's like a gray background.
Below it.
Within that background, yes. Yes, the
Okay.
lower section.
You want me to drag this somewhere?
No, the painting, the word painting, please drag that.
Into that?
Yes.
Okay, we'll
Or
try.
where do you want to place it?
Oh, right about here would be good. Or it could be right. It could be right here. That wouldn't be bad.
Yeah, try to drop it. Let's see if that will work. It automatically go back to it.
Now, you know what? I mean, here's the thing. This may be the original text from the main, from the desktop version. If I start moving it around without duplicating it, then it's going to screw up what I have on the desktop, isn't it? So I have to duplicate this, and then
Yes, like the
isolate it.
section.
Yeah, and then isolate it as a menu, as a mobile only element. Right now, I'm just moving
Yeah.
around an element that's going to screw up my original text.
But can you please hover your mouse to your left panel? Let me try to check, because it seems like you have already duplicated the section. So can you scroll down, please, in your left panel?
Oh, my left panel, yeah.
Yep, and then go to responsive.
Okay.
Scroll down at the bottom. Yep. Then
So-
responsive.
So that may be the
Okay.
original, the original element.
Yep. All right. This time, can you please hover your mouse to the right, in your center part of your screen? Yes. Can you scroll down, please? Okay, this section, I'm, quite wondering which, this section is belong to, or which responsiveness
Well, it's
this section
interesting.
belongs.
It's interesting that this is actually placed pretty well right here. I don't know what we did to get it to stop and stay there. But what I'd like to do is make sure that on the desktop version, that's still the same. Can I do that without losing this?
Yes. Yes, do not update it yet. Say, yep.
Okay, it looks good. Yeah, unless
Yeah.
I think that's fine. So I would want to make sure that this element is okay. So that's good. Okay, so this is a unique paintings text, which is for the desktop, And now we go to this one, and it looks like, even though I haven't saved it, this is a unique text for the mobile phone, and I can set the responsive on it. Isn't that right?
Yep. Wait a minute. Okay, just a moment here. Can you click on the word painting?
I don't know. I think I can do it this way. Wait a minute. Let me make sure.
Go to text editor. Click on text editor.
Oh, text? Yeah. Let me make sure that that's it. Okay. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, and then in your left control panel, can you please scroll down, go to responsive?
Yeah. Okay, so that's not unique.
Not hide it on the desktop. So what we can do, before you update it, one moment.
Maybe I should duplicate it.
Is it okay with you if I'm going to?
Yeah.
Yes. Yep. Is it okay with you if I'm going to take over first, and then I'm gonna try, like, duplicating the section, and then we'll see if that will apply, without without changing the view of your desktop. Okay. So
now let me ask you this.
Take over.
Do you believe that this is the same text that is on the desktop? I think it is. I think it's the same text that's on the desktop. So if we were to change the responsive on this and make it only for mobile, then it might disappear from the desktop. Do you think?
No. We can actually, if we're going to change the responsive. I'm sorry, I'm quite confused with your question. So you said that.
I think it's the same text that's on the desktop. That is to say, I'm just, it's not, I haven't duplicated, I don't think, I duplicated that text so that I'd have a separate version of the word painting on the mobile. See, but on the other hand, if on the desktop, this only allows, this is hidden from view on the mobile, then it has to be a separate piece of text, doesn't it? Or else I wouldn't be able to see it.
The only thing that we can do here actually is that we need to figure out, because as you can see below that mobile view version, there's like duplicated section as well, like in a white screen.
Yeah, that's the desktop. That's the desktop version of the header image.
Yeah, so I am trying to check the responsiveness of that section as well, because as for the first section you have, there is no responsiveness set up. So we can probably use this section for you to edit your mobile version without, changing or making any changes from your desktop version.
Okay.
So let me try to take over just real quick. Okay, one moment. Mobile view. Okay, let me go to the section. Text. So this is from added mobile. So okay, I got it now. So what we can do, click on that 6 dots, please. On the top. Yes, that one. Okay.
Or
go
this
to
one.
the 6 dots, the very top. This, the very first 6 dots.
Well, that's funny, because if I move my cursor, it goes away. See that? I can't get close to it. Although I might be able to find it over here and select it on the navigator.
Just a moment.
Yeah. I don't know why it does that. Sometimes it disappears when you get close to it.
Okay. Section. Printing text. What's that printing text? Is that
So that's painting. So that's the test. That's this guy. So, if I were to hide that, that would go away. If I add it, there it is.
section? Okay, so what we can do instead, since you are in the right section, the printing text, let's go to advanced.
Okay, it's okay.
Advanced, and then go to responsive. All right, and then hide it on desktop and then on the tablet as well.
Okay.
Okay, and then also go to the header. Click on header. Yep. And then go to advanced. Responsive. Yep.
So that's
okay,
good.
So already hide it. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna try to check the third section you have. Click on the third section. Yes, that one. Then go to advanced.
But we don't even know what that is, do we? It might be the menu. I don't know what it is.
I think it's on the second, like the desktop view. But can you please go to responsive? Let's gonna try to check on that.
Can't even open it. Oh, there we go. So I don't know what it is. This looks like it's nothing. Okay, I just assume get rid of it if it's nothing.
Yep. Can you click on responsive, please?
Yeah.
So it's hidden on mobile. Yeah, maybe this is the desktop view because it's hide from your mobile version.
I think it is. And
can you,
right, and this, yeah, and
can
this
you
is, I don't know what that is.
click on the fourth section?
The what's the fourth?
Yes, and then go to advanced,
Okay.
and then responsive.
That might be the desktop text. I don't.